Good morning all. Welcome to chapter 6, General Principles and Process of Isolation of Elements. Chapter 6, General Principles and Process of Isolation of Elements. In this chapter, we discuss the extraction of different elements from their ores and purification of these elements and the principle behind this process that we will discuss in this chapter. And before starting the chapter, you should have a clear idea about metallurgy. Metallurgy, it is the process involved in the extraction of elements from their ores. The extraction of elements from their ores and the steps involved in that process is known as metallurgy. Metallurgy is the process of extraction of elements from their ores and the process involved in the extraction of elements that is known as metallurgy. So, in metallurgy, you should have clear idea about some of the terms given here. And first is minerals. Minerals are the substances that are obtained from the earth crust by mining. Minerals are the substances obtained from the earth crust by mining, that are minerals. Next is ores. Ores means these are minerals from which metals can be extracted profitably and economically. So, ores are also minerals. So, from that mineral, we can extract the metal profitably and economically. That is, ore denote the term that is related to an economy, that is related to the economy of production and how easily or how comfortably we can extract element from particular mineral. That mineral is known as ore. I will give you one example. Zinc is present in zinc carbonate, zinc sulfide, zinc oxide, etc. Therefore, we can select zinc carbonate as ore because from zinc carbonate, we can easily and comfortably or profitably and economically we can prepare or we can extract zinc very easily from zinc carbonate. Okay, so zinc oxide, that is a mineral, and zinc sulfide is a mineral, zinc carbonate also a mineral, but we select zinc carbonate as the ore because from that ore we can prepare or extract the zinc metal very easily and comfortably. So that is the difference between ores and minerals. Minerals, all ores are minerals, but all minerals are not ores. All ores are minerals, but all minerals are not ores. Clear? Then next is gangue. Gangue means the unwanted particles present in the ore is known as gangue. The unwanted particles like sand, stones, etc., clay, etc., that is present in ore is known as gangue. Because ore is obtained from earth crust. Therefore, there should be impurities present. That is why the impurities present in the ore is known as, or unwanted materials present in the ore is known as gangue. Clear? Then next is flux. Flux means the substances that are added to the ore to remove gangue. For removing the gangue or unwanted particles present in the ore, we are adding some other substances and that substances are known as flux. So, flux is used to remove unwanted particles or gangue particles from the ore. Clear? Then next is slag. Slag means gangue and flux combine together to form slag. Gangue and flux combine together to form slag. In metallurgy or in that process, during the process, the slag is removed from the mixture. So, here gangue, the unwanted particles present in the ore, flux, the substances that are added to ore to remove gangue, slag is the mixture of gangue and flux and that is removed during the process. And that's about the introduction of this chapter, that is general principles and process of isolation of elements. These are the terms. Keep it in your mind while discussing the